Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's tell stories. My story today I'm going to focus on cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency today that I'll be buying and selling at local Bitcoin. And cryptocurrency is a digital asset that is used as a medium of exchange, measure of value, and store of wealth. So ensure you stick with me at the end of the tutorial. Digital assets are coming to take over the world. We are in an era that Bitcoin and Ethereum are hyping. So we'll come for us to know about these currencies. We normally use a website called CoinGecko. Once you come to CoinGecko, you will get the different digital assets. One being Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other one is Tether. We can look maybe at Bitcoin. All these digital currencies are based by blockchain technology, and we are in an era that blockchain technology will take over. So what you normally do, anytime you want to sell and buy a cryptocurrency, you first need to know how trading it is. We can see the market cap. So in the 24 hours, the trading volume, it means Bitcoin has, for the last 24 hours, has traded 50 billion US dollars. Then 24 high, 24 low. It means in the last 24 hours, the lowest it has become was 31,088, and the highest is 34. That is a difference of 4,000 US dollars. So for those guys who are doing speculation and who want to trade, that is where you normally grab the opportunity. Seeing that these digital assets in the last 24 hours is the time it was 31,088 and now it is 34,324. We'll come and maybe make a chart. We see our chart maybe where how it has been, behaving. So what we'll here is a chart. Yeah, so this is the way it has been behaving in the last 24 hours. The lowest it was, this was the lowest, 277, and this is the highest so far it has been in the last 24 hours. We can even look maybe for the last 7 days how it has been behaving. The chart will be different. You just need to click the difference of 7 days. If 24 hours is 14 days. So today we are going to buy and sell Bitcoin. We are going to sell Bitcoin worth 50 US dollars. CoinGecko is a platform that you're able to know how cryptocurrencies are going on. You are able to know their price in the difference of 1 hour. Has it risen or dropped down? Is it yeah? Then you'll know in the last 24 hours is it pumping or it is dropping down. Then you'll know even the 7 days graph how it has been behaving. When I talk about 7 days, it is comparing a time like now last week and a time now. Has it gone up or has it gone down? When I talk about 24 hours, it means in the last 24 hours, a day like a second like this yesterday, has it gone up or down? We also need to know the market cap and the trading volume. So we can say, so we'll come here and be able to sell Bitcoin. So once we are selling Bitcoin, we'll sell it at local Ethereum, local Bitcoin. This local Bitcoin platform where you can quickly sell or quickly buy. So when you are there, once you are quickly, for us will be quickly selling, and the for you to for maybe when you are buying cryptocurrency, once you need to scrutiny the traders who are selling, maybe you can put them by amount. Say the person who has this amount is the one who I want to sell to me. Also, we can come maybe here and maybe scrutiny by US by the currency. I can say for myself, I only want guys who are selling their US dollars. We can see these are the sellers, the payment method, and the Bitcoin price. I can be able to buy it. So I'll come also here. I can maybe even put another buffer to ensure that I'll only pick guys who have been who have from the United States. Also, you can come here and put another barrier. Say that I only want to trade guys from maybe a specific region. So we'll come here and so once we come to our, when we are selling Bitcoin, this is the platform that we sell Bitcoin. We'll come here and make that once you want to sell Bitcoin, you need to scrutiny maybe the what you want to do, maybe the form of payment. You can choose from Nairas, Euros, any payment method you can be able to choose. You can also choose any country that those guys you want. Maybe you want to sell only to guys in Kuwait. Maybe also it also is very important to select the payment method that you want, because it depends with personal preference and taste. So we'll come here and say once we are selling Bitcoin, we'll be able to come here and see the payment method that we want. We can select Payoneer, we can select any other, then we'll be able to search. And the search result will give us only guys selling via that. We can see nobody is selling using that trade. But once we come to USD and say in United States, we'll be able to get somebody who is selling that currency at that amount, United States. So we'll be able to search using I need a person selling US dollar from United States and selling with Pioneer. So I'm selling cryptocurrencies. As we can see, I have 0.0142 Bitcoin. Maybe we can come here using CoinGecko. We'll be able to gauge the price of 0.0142 2 bitcoins. It's around an estimate of 48 US dollars. So anytime that is the as per the current local price. But anytime for us to make profit, maybe we'll sell the Bitcoin at 105% or 110% per the market price. So what we'll do, we'll come here and say, before we are able to sell, we can see the offers that this person is buying at 33 US dollars. We need to come maybe confirm the authenticity. So we'll come here as we say last seen. The guy was last seen 1 minute ago. They have done over 1,000 confirmed trades. They have done over 596 different partners. And we can see the real name is trusted verification. We can see 1 year. The account was created 1 year 8 months ago. So at least this is a pro trader. This is already a pro trader, so we have all the reasons to trust them. This is the payment method. They are telling you, once we come here buy Bitcoin online from the name, they are saying that they are for in case you need to buy. This is the price that they have already said. They have also set the limit, 300 US dollars. That is making a trade in local Bitcoin. And the third learning thing that will go in local Bitcoin, I want to show you how you're able to transfer Bitcoin from one person to another one. So as we have already finished the first step, we've already I've already taken you how to buy cryptocurrencies. You normally go see the offer. You're able to select, maybe I want somebody who is selling Bitcoin at USD. The payment method. You will also look the limit. You will also then enter into that person's account. Look the details. When was the account open? When were they last seen? Because some people have been online maybe the last 3 weeks, and still they have their offers online. So that is not the best person to buy from your cryptocurrency. So what we'll be doing, we'll go through how to transact, how to transfer Bitcoins. As we come to my WhatsApp, I see I have a client telling me, send me here. So this is the digital wallet, the address. This is the address that I'm going to send them this address. So we'll just copy it. Once we copy it, we'll come here at local Bitcoin. You can see send Bitcoin. can receive or transact. In my wallet, I have 0.142 BTC, and you have seen that 0.144 BTC is $48. So we'll come here and receiving Bitcoin address. So we'll paste the receiving Bitcoin address because the guy who was buying told me to send them via that via this address. So we'll come here and say amount in Bitcoin. We are seeing that I can send up to this amount. I can send up to 0.0013837. So Bitcoin normally charge you a transaction fee of 0.02 of a Bitcoin. So we can see of the amount that you're trading. So we will come here and be able to see this is the amount, this is the amount, this is the amount, this is the total amount in my wallet, the transaction fee. Then I'll come here, description appears in the transaction list. Sending to a friend, I'll just describe sending to a family friend. This is a guy, yeah, I'm sending to a family friend. Maybe that family friend had way before, because the official way to sell to somebody you don't know, you normally come here via the normal trade. You're able to make a trade, and this is the platform that the safest method. Either you need to buy or you need to sell. But for this time, is a family member that I know that I'm sending Bitcoin. We can see the amount in Kenya shillings, into my Kenya shillings, and I'll say continue. Once I say continue, I'll send them my Bitcoin. It tells me confirm your outgoing Bitcoin transaction. It tells me to enter my password to this account. I'll enter the password to this account. Then I will send them. Please confirm and send from your wallet. I'm sending to a friend, and in a few seconds it will tell me it's loading. Bitcoin, it tells me Bitcoin sent successful to this address. You can see my balance now is at 0. Initially my balance was at 0.0142. This is the type of browser that has not been refreshed, but this one has been refreshed. We can see already the coin have gone, and they are telling us Bitcoin successfully sent the owner. So today's tutorial was very educative. It was one on how to buy Bitcoin, local Bitcoin, how to sell, what are the measures that you're supposed to check the buyer, the seller. You have to select the payment method. Once you say buy, you will enter into blockchain. Normally have a smart contract. In that smart contract, it ensures that you, the buyer, the trader cannot con you, and you cannot also con the trader. So it becomes a safe way, a peer-to-peer safe method for the two of you. Thank you for sticking with this end of the video recording. This is lifestyle tutorials. In case you have any question about Bitcoin, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for such more educative tutorials. You can see Bitcoin. If you need to know any information about Bitcoin, just come here at CoinGecko. In case you have any query or question or any assistance, just leave a comment or reach me out through my official Gmail account that is in the description link of the video. karongo@gmail.com, or you can find my WhatsApp number there in case you need for any liars or any critical information. Thank you, and I'll be selling Ethereum soon, and sure you stay tuned.